Hey everyone! Want to keep your iPhone apps running smoothly and securely without lifting a finger? In this video, we'll show you how to enable automatic app updates on your iPhone. Discover why it's crucial for security, new features, and hassle-free maintenance. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to the App Store option. Again, scroll under the Automatic Downloads section. Toggle on App Updates. In addition, to allow automatic updates in mobile data, enable Toggle for Automatic Download toggle. To save your data, here's the data limit option. Tap on App Downloads and set to Always Allow. Ask if over 200 MB or Always Ask. That's it. Now, all the pending app updated under the App Store automatically update, or you can update it from App Store settings for now. Go to App Store App Profile, scroll to Apps Installed list, and update all option. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.